Hello friends, welcome back to Get Comfy with Comfy, and today we're going to check out this cool workflow for making consistent character data sets. If you want a bunch of pictures of the same character, or you want to make a consistent world with your character, this is a really easy way to do so. I use this Nano Banana, aka Gemini Flash Image, to go in and do 8 different prompts with your character in different locations or in different outfits or whatever you like. You can control the parameters with natural language. We're taking advantage of Comfy's API nodes to do all 8 runs at the same time, and because it's using Gemini Flash, it's pretty cheap, so it's a good alternative if you don't have a GPU or you don't want to wait for local runs. That being said, you could absolutely go in and swap out all the Gemini Flash image nodes for Qwen Image 2509 or any of the other editing models that you like. All right, let's dive in and see how it works. If you double click on the subgraph, you'll see the whole thing here, and it's basically just a lot of batching and then mixing together. So if we have a look over here, we're just bringing in our image and we're scaling that to about 1 megapixel, feeding that to Gemini 2.5 Flash, and we're asking it, I'm prompting an image edit model. I need 8 prompts to describe showing this character in different locations appropriate to the scene. From multiple angles, ideally in different poses, but explain the camera angles, locations, and poses, not the character. We're also asking for just the prompts, no other output, new line separated. And that's so that we'll get 8 prompts out that we can then use these string get line nodes to grab each line, feed into a separate Google Gemini image node, and then get our 8 images out. We save all those images into a character sheet folder, and then we also just grid them all together at the end with these image stitch nodes, and then you have a nice breakdown of all the images. And then outside of the dataset generator, you actually have just this one final output that has all these files. But every time you run this, all these files are being saved on your machine as well, so you have them no matter what. This is a really easy way to get a bunch of first frames together for doing one first frame videos and getting a really cool story together. You could build a storyboard and then just animate each scene and then take your time and build out a whole narrative.